Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Doughboy, a popular bread in our country, and yes, it's made from coconut. So I'm using 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of coconut, and I have my yeast and sugar in some warm water that is being activated, and I'll tell you the ingredients along the way. So I'm going to pour my yeast into the flour. And now I'm going to add my butter. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of butter. And don't forget the coconut. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and ½ teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to give this a mix. Sometimes my grandmother used to add baking powder in this, but I just love to use the yeast only. So I'm going to pour in my water and begin and start kneading. And I'm pouring little by little. This is very popular home, and we eat it a lot with saltfish. One day I'll do that for my page. You can eat it with anything you desire. Any meat, stew meat, curry meat, you name it. Okay, so my dough is a bit sticky, so I'm going to add some flour to it. And I want this dough to be soft. A bit firm, not too hard, you know. Like stiff, not too stiff. I don't want it stiff. And I'll put the ingredients into the description box. Oh, that's a piece of my coconut. And I use fresh coconut that I grate. I just love to grate my coconut. Okay, so let me put this dough so you can see clearly, and put it on the cutting board. And begin to knead it to a soft dough. And if you want more sugar, you can always add more sugar to this. I don't want it sweet because, you know, I'm going to eat it with meat and so on, so I don't want it sweet. Add a little more flour. This is just extra flour to knead in my dough. So this is finished, and I'm going to leave it to relax for ½ an hour. You can leave it for how long you want, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use my clean kitchen towel and leave it for ½ an hour and come back and get it ready for baking. Okay, so our dough has been resting for a while now, so about ½ an hour I leave it. So I'm going to roll it. Woo, see that? Nice and soft. I'm not gonna do it too flat, okay? about an inch. Make that into a nice circle. So I'm going to prick it with my fork. That's a custom we do, just to allow steam to escape while the Doughboy is baking, okay? And do those holes. And I'm going to put this in the oven to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes the most, until it's golden brown on top. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my pan to bake. And when it's finished, I'll get back to you. So the Doughboy is finished. So I'm going to let it cool down and then I'll cut it for you. And remember, 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and cut the Doughboy now. Okay. Ready to eat with some saltfish. See that? Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.